Some teriyaki chicken.
Grease.
Yeah, great.
You are Grease.
When a biscuit on the side. Yeah.
That's why I don't even eat meat.
Huh? That's who don't eat meat.
Lies, Mr.
When you see me eat some meat,
You're right. Dang. Like crab, some type chicken, pork chop.
No more Philadelphia.
I don't eat no lamb.
hey, that cheesesteak was on point. I don't know why. Man, that cheesesteak was sickening.
What is that?
Shut the front door.
I liked it, but the next weekend I didn't like it.
Wow, it stayed in your system that long? I think that's problematic.
I was sick for days.
That's problematic.
I wasn't. I ate that bad boy Saturday morning.
Oh yeah, I saved it over. Yeah, I ate half of it and then saved it.
I left like a corner. I was mad when we was eating that in the concert and hunched over like this. Me and Gordon trying not to steal freaking ketchup
And you were not successful because it got all up in my jeans.
Nobody know that.
I